Hello guys, this is how to update apps on an iPhone. The process is quite simple. Basically, you want to go ahead and open up the iOS App Store, which is basically this app over here. Select it, and once it loads up, at the top you should be able to see your profile icon. Proceed to tap on your profile icon, and once you scroll down, you're going to see all of the applications that currently have updates available. And so to update any of these applications, you just want to go ahead and select the application and then just proceed to click on the update button over here. Now it is just going to take about a minute or so, and this particular application is going to be updated on your iPhone. Okay, so this one has been updated. You can go ahead and just click on the done button. Now, if you go back to that same particular page, you should be able to still find the rest of the applications. You can also decide to automatically update all of them at once by simply clicking on the update all option over here. And all of these applications are just going to be updated now on your iPhone. Now that is basically how to update apps on an iPhone. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.